Have you ever wondered what gives a skateboard deck its incredible strength, flexibility, and that satisfying snap when you pop an ollie? It feels solid under your feet, but there is a lot more going on inside than you might realize. Most standard skateboard decks are constructed with 7 layers of wood, which we call plies. This 7-ply construction is the industry standard, offering a perfect balance of strength, weight, and that crucial responsive feel for tricks. The reason decks are made from multiple plies, rather than a single thick piece of wood, comes down to engineering and material science. Each ply is a very thin sheet of wood veneer, typically Canadian maple, a wood known for its strength and moderate flexibility. These plies are laid with their wood grain running in alternating directions. For instance, if the first ply has its grain running lengthwise, the second ply will have its grain running crosswise. This cross-grain construction is incredibly important because it drastically increases the deck's strength and resistance to warping. It is like building a bridge with interwoven steel beams instead of one solid block. These layers are then bonded together with a specialized epoxy resin under immense pressure, creating a single, incredibly durable unit that can withstand the forces of riding and tricks. This ply count directly influences the deck's characteristics. A 7-ply deck offers that classic combination of stiffness for stability and enough flex for a good pop. Some decks, especially those designed for heavier riders or more aggressive skating styles, might feature plies for added durability and rigidity. These boards tend to be a little heavier and might feel slightly less responsive or have a bit less pop due to the extra mass. 9-ply decks are much rarer for street or park skating, usually reserved for specialty boards like longboards, downhill boards, or electric skateboards where extreme stiffness and weight-bearing capacity are paramount. Knowing the ply count helps you understand how a board might feel and perform, guiding your choice for your personal skating style. When you are looking for a new deck, understanding the ply count helps you make an informed decision. For most beginners and casual riders, a standard 7-ply deck is ideal. It provides the perfect blend of resilience and performance to learn and progress. If you are a bit heavier or find yourself breaking decks often, exploring an 8-ply option could offer that extra peace of mind and longevity. You can often find the ply count listed in the product specifications when buying a deck online or ask the staff at your local skate shop. One interesting detail in deck manufacturing is the difference between cold press and hot press techniques. Many high-quality decks use a cold press method, where the plies are glued under pressure without added heat. This is often preferred because it allows the epoxy to cure naturally, potentially leading to a more consistent and durable bond, and it puts less stress on the wood itself. Each ply is typically about 1/16 of an inch thick, meaning a 7-ply deck is roughly 7/16 of an inch thick overall. This seemingly small detail of multi-ply construction is what gives your board its characteristic strength, its ability to pop off the ground, and its overall feel under your feet. Ultimately, the number of wood plies in your skateboard deck is a fundamental element of its design, directly influencing its durability, weight, and the way it responds to your every move. Understanding this core construction detail empowers you to choose a deck that not only stands up to your skating, but also feels just right, helping you confidently push your skills to the next level.